Right, after our form, we're going to put in a link now, and we're going to see how we can make links to various different parts of our page, and also to the other sites on the web and other pages within our structure. So, we saw it before when we looked at the example.com webpage. A link is put into a web page by the A tag. So we just open a tag and put A, and the way we tell the browser where to go is we use href, hyperlink reference, and so for now let's just do a reference to google.com. So if we want to do a link which is completely outside of our website, we have to start with the HTTP, so we have to put the full link in, :/www.google.com. Now the A link is not a self-closing link because we need to put some text here, so let's just put Google for now. So anything I click on in the middle there is going to take me to google.com. Let's see if that works. Save, refresh, there's my link, Google, and there we go. Fantastic. Alright, so just to show you a couple of other types of links, I'm now going to put that in a paragraph tag and a new paragraph tag. I'm going to create a new link, and this one is going to be to my hello world. So you should have a hello world.html file as well that you created right at the beginning of this section of the course, and I'll call it hello world, and then close the link tag, close the paragraph tag, save, done. There we go. So Google we know works. Hello world, fantastic. So this is known as an external link to Google there, and this is an internal link within our own website structure. Now there's one more type of link, but in order to do that, to show you that one, we need a really big page. So I'm going to copy this form a couple of times. So I just selected the whole of the form there and copied it a couple of times. Let's go back and see what that looks like. So I've now got that form. In fact, I'm going to copy it a couple of times more, I think, just so that we've got a really long web page. There we go. Great. So what I want to do is make a link to a part of this page. So maybe you've scrolled down all the way to the bottom to find the Google and the Hello World links, and now you want to get straight back up to the top, and we want to have a link that takes you straight there. So what we do at the very top of the page, we create an A, but this time it's not actually going to go anywhere. This is just going to be an anchor for us to be able to link to in the future. So we have A name equals, we'll call it top. And this time it's going to be self-closing. Now down the bottom, this time to tell the browser that we want an internal link, we use a hash, which on a Mac is Alt3. You'll have to find it on a Windows computer. I think it's around near the comma somewhere. And then we use the name that we used earlier, and we'll have the text back to top. So when we click on that, it will take us to the top reference within the page itself, which should take us right back up to the very beginning. Save, refresh, down the bottom, back to top. Fantastic. There we go. I'll just show you that again. Scroll down to the bottom, click on it, we're right back at the top of the page.